Hey YouTube, how are we doing? I'm Tommy and welcome back to my channel. Now, following on from my previous candid camera expedition at bike night on the Isle of Wight, I am back here at Hayling bike night with my secret camera, just to discover what people think about my bike. My custom Triumph bobber. Let's see how this goes.
Yours?
No, mate, no, I think my mate sold one.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think my mate sold one. The old bobber.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind them. It looks alright, doesn't it? He's always just that. That's a bit low, really.
There's a 1200 bob. Wonderful.
Cool, I think they do sound great.
You buy them like that?
Yeah?
Yeah. That's how you buy them. I don't know what that is. Alarm or something. Yeah, but you buy them like that. Like a factory.
Oh, pretty, isn't it?
Benders.
Yeah, it's a bender. Only got a dear little cow, doesn't it? Oh no, there's two of them. You've got twin cows.
With Brembo. Brembo brakes.
Oh, they're nice, I like that. Look at the exhaust, Tom. It's a bit different, isn't it?
MPG Triumph, right? Comes with Brembo and everything. It's one of them calipers like tiny.
Brembo rings, so.
Big old disc. But the actual caliper ain't that big. Yeah, I can't lie that. It's quite a take you one, just chop about and with it.
Taking it easy. $1,200.
They'll have a bit of grump with it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
These are nice, aren't they, these bobber bikes, the ones that not, you know, they just got that seat that sort of bounces almost, you know, above the wheel.
Yeah, they are nice, but if it did start raining, you're going to get soaked because you're going to get all that thrown off the rear wheel.
Yeah.
But it's all about the appearance, isn't it?
It was his bike, he saw it with the stone.
expedition.
Similar. Take some wine.
Yeah. Yeah, that is, isn't it? That's a mad place to have a GoPro.
Yeah, but you get a good strong one.
Yeah, yeah, different. That exhaust system.
Yeah.
You can see all the welds on it. That's unreal, that is.
Got my glasses up the top box.
Okay.
Couple glasses.
That pipe's a work of art, isn't it?
So there's some hours gone into that, isn't there?
Unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
You see somewhere on YouTube that does.
All right.
Yeah, I think I've seen loads of them like that. I'd love to hear it. Do you think they're not legal though, are they?
Well,
You think you get through an MOT with that?
Depends where you take it.
yeah. And it's a bit of a, it's kind of at the MOT's discretion, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
once it's passed through, you know, construction and use regulations, I don't think there is actually a limit. So.
Oh really? Looks really leery though, doesn't it?
So it's all segmented, isn't it? So it must have taken hours and hours and
Get all them
hours and
angles,
hours.
right?
A couple of grand. It's very nice.
It is a work of art, definitely.
This is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like the Triumph.
Like your sauce, mate.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
A bit different, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. Is that the cat on there?
No, no cat, straight through.
Oh, okay.
Thornton 100 twisted exhaust, it's called.
Done a good job with the exhaust, didn't he?
Is that your point?
It is, yeah.
You couldn't start it up first, could you? Why do you get that exhaust?
Yeah, if you want, hang on a sec. Yeah. Sort this out.
Is the exhaust legal?
Not, but
Find out when I need an MOT, won't I? Give me just a second, I'll just need
Yeah,
to
it's all right,
save the
I know
battery
that.
on it.
I mean, a few garages will pass it.
Say again, sorry?
A few garages will pass it.
Yeah, I mean,
I love that exhaust.
it's no louder than a Harley Davidson, you know, they've all got loud pipes.
You
pretty
don't
much.
hear my Broozer, you'll.
Yeah. It's not that loud, actually.
Right?
I think they like
That's
it if you
brilliant,
do that sort of shit.
No.
Where'd you get the exhaust from?
Thornton 100.
I've seen them on Instagram.
Oh, yeah, yeah. no,
They're
all
not
over.
local, are they?
Milton Keynes.
Are they?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it a couple of grand, no? Something?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Never know who's watching.
Come back, you want me there?
Yeah, what's that really recording though? Really recording bloody pavement, yeah?
Ah, because you put it down
Oh, right.
and then turn to the side.
Right. Yeah, that's tidy.
They are fun though, because I've had bobbers, haven't I?
Yeah.
What was our fun?
I would have another. Yeah, but I like it exactly how that is. Go straight
Flat
down
bars.
those,
See, I like the bobbers, but I've done 8 bars on it.
Yeah. But you see, I've always fancied one of them. Gold wing. Yeah. The old ones, mate. The clips. I've always. I mean, I know.
That company's 500. Oh yeah.
That's fucking cool.
That is some insane exhaust work. That's it. It just sticks out there.
Yeah.
My old man said he was going to get a Triumph. That's kind of what I expected him to get. He ended up with a Speedmaster instead. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. It's 3100. Jesus.
Hey, that does look sexy.
He's cool.
That looks. See, that's a similar colour to what I want.
What, your bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. He's got it down, boys. On his foot peg left.
Yeah.
Nice bit of kit, that.
I like that digital screen, that little circular one, like a watch face.
Something to do with his phone, iPhone.
Yeah.
Got a YouTube channel, I would guess.
Little indicators.
Oh yeah, you see him on the back.
Oh, there they are. Yeah. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Makes how bright they are, those things.
I bet they are.
That is nice.
Give us some coin for that, though.
Do you reckon?
Those pipes.
Yeah.
Those pipes are lovely, aren't they? Yeah.
Oh, calm down, Charlie. I will say though, they're a fucking small back wheel.
Fucking stone in there, look.
Not very big though.
You think it'd be wider, wouldn't you?
Yes, I mean. Fucking front one's wider than the back one. Yeah, it's nice big kit. Nice big kit.
That is nice.
What's 33, 38 mean then on the tire on the wheel?
Tyre pressure.
Price, there's the pressure.
74 is his age.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
How much you paid for it?
74-year-old getting on there and blitzing it up there, like. Probably 18, 20 grand.
57 mpg, does he?
No, I see his number plate, yeah. That's not a true representation.
Maybe 7 mpg.
Or even 5.
Yeah.
That is nice.
A decent ride back.
Oh, then there's that rat rod. Go down there.
That's a gas fitter's worst nightmare, isn't it? Apparently you can buy these bits in right now, all prefabricated. And all you have to do is weld them together, sort of thing. You might well do, I don't know. It's also good.
It's coming from the other cylinder, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. I don't know what that is.
That's just bringing the pipe through, isn't it? So we can connect that bit on. It's on the same side. Yeah, it's done with that. Straight tube. Yeah, you'll get.
There's a lot of welding there. Yeah. I'm sure it would be made a lot easier. But it depends on whether it's titanium. If it's titanium, it's totally welded. Just noise. Yeah. All noise, no go. Training around the back tire.
Think? It's good. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I've got one as well. I was
Bobber?
yeah, I was interested in the seat.
Yeah.
It's running a sprung seat conversion.
Yeah, it's nice. I like the single shock.
Yeah, it's I mean, mine's silver and green. And, they've got one go.
My dad used to have an old Speed Twin. It was 43. Because the 37 had the really big wide headlamp and those sort of Harley forks, and it just reminded me because it had a sprung seat and a solid back. There's no suspension.
Yeah, rigid frame. Yeah. This pretends to be, doesn't it? But,
yeah, it's got the minor shock,
hides it.
isn't it? Yeah. It's nice.
Nice, yeah.
Pretty, yeah.
Almost an up there.
Yeah.
That pipe on it there.
It's a fucking hours of weld. Just miles, no mate, no.
Fucking mental, isn't it?
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's good. We can get on it. Yeah, these are nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Mental.
What I was saying about the fact that you can't get a triangle picking seat. Yeah. Fold out, you can't see. You have to buy another one. So you're not making a triangle picking seat. Body of the bother. It's just mixes and mixes of welding. He obviously didn't have a pipe bed. What I'm going to do is take all these offcuts and stainless steel. I'm not kicking around.
Okay, so there you have it, another fun experiment and another CANDID camera video. I hope you enjoyed that. I would like to point out the CANDID camera videos that I do are just a little bit of fun. It doesn't, it's not intended to induce any malice on people that don't like my bike. In fact, I couldn't care less whether they like it or not, but I do appreciate that it does give me an honest opinion that people think of my bike. It certainly won't be for everyone. At least this time no one called me a twat, as they did, as I called last time. There was a lot of inaccuracies of what people were saying about my bike. So hopefully you've seen the notes actually on the screen at the time when they said it, just to correct a few people just there. But yeah, everyone seemed to like it, which is all good. So yeah, thank you if you did take part in this video unknowingly. Thank you very much. I appreciate your input. And let me know in the comment if I caught you saying something about my bike. Anyway, I hope you found this informative and interesting or whatever. But anyway, if you did, give us a like. Please hit subscribe if you haven't. It is free. It will not cost you a penny and it helps me out and it helps people just like you to see my videos as well. But also, in the meantime, until next time.
Catch you later.
I get fly, you be crutching on designer that ain't fly. In LA, I scoop the cat or something fast for when I slide. Burning rubber, they gon' tax me for the tires, it's alright. On my lonely, I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a trend. Tattoos on my skin, I'm my daddy's twin.